Every client comes with a different set of needs. I usually build the room design from the ground up. First, we're talking about the shell. That's all part of the interior architecture, which we hopefully have had something to do with. Get that right. And then you can put whatever you want inside. For me, the most important thing for the success of any interior design is the scale and proportion. You might see beautiful things, but you're like, oh my gosh, that sofa is completely underscaled. They're not using the full height of the room, and to me that really disturbs my eye. We talk about the math, and the geometry is really what it is of a room and how these pieces fit together so that it's visually pleasing to your eye. None of our two projects are alike. That's both a blessing and a curse, because when you're interviewing for a new job, they might say, well, I don't see exactly what I'm looking for. And I say, because we're going to create it for you. Color is a very touchy subject. Change the color of the walls and don't change anything else, and you could have 10 different rooms with 10 different colors. The whole mood of the room will change. We live for the end of the project when the client says, I can't believe that you've created this house for me. And they've seen these boards, but when they see all these things pulled together, the smiles on your clients' faces, it's almost addictive. And that's just what we do this for. It's just that reveal at the end of the day. It's so, rewarding.